Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Vashisht. Today, my topic is independence in energy by indigenous sources. There is a couplet of Iqbal, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से ये पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. We are begging petroleum from Gulf countries. To feed a population of about 135 crore, India imports crude oil from nearly 40 countries, and this number has now increased up to 43. The countries import around 1.7 billion barrel of oil from abroad, which counts for 85 to 90% of its total oil consumption. The remaining oil is produced domestically. This is such a huge challenge that the same amount of petroleum, approximately 230 million metric tons, could sustain economies of about 50 to 60 countries. Both the threat to the environment and the petroleum crisis are very, very serious. Now we must seize this situation as an opportunity to learn to manage with our own resources. That is, आपदा में अवसर. What can we do? We can produce biofuel from garbage and increase large production of ethanol by bhussi or bagasse or rice bran fuel, which will help to reduce the pollution problem. By blending 30% of the ethanol into petrol, this crisis can be significantly eased. In addition, we can increase the production of biospirit, that is methyl alcohol, which is obtained from wood dust. This methyl alcohol can be converted into dimethyl ether or DME and is used as a substitute for LPG. The National Chemical Research Institute Pune has already carried out successful experiments on this field. Other than this, we are having a sufficient and a huge amount of solar energy with us, and here you are observing the National Chemical Laboratory, which is manufacturing DME to a great extent, which is none than the other substitute of LPG. So if we are gradually increasing the production by this way, we can increase the petroleum substitutes. Other than this, we are having amazingly wonderful solar planning. India is having Pradhan Mantri Saur Urja Ghar, and some other plannings are also there. But only one such a small problem is there, that subsidy they are not giving. If they are honestly giving 100% subsidy, you could never imagine that India will be the solar house in the world of the top level. So though we are having the third place as far as solar heat is concerned, solar energy is concerned, but if subsidy may be reduced or finished, we can create a wonder to the world and we will not be dependent on others. And there are very simple technique of the solar energy in which we are taking the solar panels, and solar panels are producing the energy in the form of DC, which can be converted by a generator to AC. And in this way, we can utilize it as other electrical system or the equipments which we are observing everywhere. So, and Elon Musk has also produced a wonderful sort of solar panel in which the entire house is just like a solar house. So, and the thickness is also less. So what I want to bring out is that the solar energy, that is, we are having 265 days and 200 days we can have complete solar energy. And hydroelectric energy is also the cleanest energy which is with us. The third one is the pollution, that is the national thermal power plants which create a lot of pollution also. We can say with a share, धुएं की नोक से शहरों की दीवारों पे लिखा है, बहुत महफूज था इंसान जब जंगल में रहता था. Or next crisis is whatever we are observing in the Gulf. In the Gulf, we are having a threat, and 95 masks should be taken soil pollutants are there, dioxygen gas is reduced, and there is a threat to the environmental protection, and ceasefire is the only solution to this pollution. Otherwise, mutual enmity among the nation can anytime escalate into a world war. So no one will remain safe if the people of India also fail to stop the toxic and acid and do not purify the air. Then it will be too late. And I'm ending my talk with the 4 lines. The city of Sai, smoke fills every eye. मिथाइल एल्कोहल से प्राप्त होने वाली डीएमई और इसके अतिरिक्त सौर ऊर्जा के हमारे पास में विस्तृत विकल्प हैं। तो अगर आपको यह मेरा वीडियो कैसा लगा, इसके बारे में आप सब्सक्राइब कीजिए अवश्य और लाइक अवश्य कीजिए, ताकि मैं इस प्रकार की और अधिक वीडियोस बना सकूं। जय हिंद, जय भारत, धन्यवाद।